Yayisa bafana babaye. Fane yopapatisa nami ngiyokhonza kwaShembe noMezioni. Ngisho yonke lamasimba la. Hayi izwe libonile Nkosi yami. Azisidinga umsebenzi eSouth Africa yonke like province the province isuse 1000
This girl has been through enough.
Sifake iphandla sonke.
This girl has been through
Ubonile
enough.
lapha nje. If I showed you.
What's up? We're gonna be reacting to Street Confession by East.
This Stingy Boys or some shit.
No, it's not him.
Wow.
The name is
Just name it.
East Game
Oh, is game what?
BreakerZ.
BreakerZ. That's it. Yeah. Anyway, suggest like all that good stuff. Look, subscribe. Gune button the coffers and coffee.
It has this sign
Yes.
and this sign.
Press ale.
Zonya sohlangana mina nawe.
Phoxisa inkwe Pick n Pay.
My name is Benjamin. What's your name? Are you guys together? Yes. Can we have a couple interview? Okay. So,
Uthule nawe bakhuluma nentombi yakho. Kwenziwani la?
Something that's gonna get.
I would never do these things.
In ujethi yasambe wena.
Couple what?
Couple.
If ufuna ukwenza
Couple abazali bakho.
ngangijwayele. Ngamuza ufuna ifoni yami. Like I'll go to jail before I
Tshele ngiyabona ukuqala kuzokubhonya. Sokubhonya.
qale likhiphe leyibuko.
Uqala ngokubhonye. Itshele soyixoxa ke.
Get us into trouble.
what are you talking about, man? No, it's not gonna get you guys in trouble. I'm not switching phones here. Don't worry. I just wanna have a conversation.
Busy already.
Oh, if you guys pass the test, I want to have a kind of a conversation that you guys might not have had. So I'm gonna start with you.
My nigga.
What do you prefer, intercourse or foreplay?
Intercourse.
What's the use of one without the other?
What I know. No, there is a use with one without that. What? Or intercourse.
Okay, yeah.
Intercourse. Why?
But it's like,
Who the hell would want foreplay and no intercourse?
because
That's weird.
if I play yini, it's stepping stone. So muzogcina khona. What are we doing?
Niggas gonna go to bed without.
Niyasoma bafana. Niyasoma.
Dick dry as a motherfucker.
Ufike ekhaya ngibulisa i-under. Yawuna bahloli.
Intercourse? Why?
It's more mature.
What's nature?
Intercourse.
Yabona lo umuntu ongathanda.
What? What do you think about answer?
No, let's teach it.
Hey.
Do you give a foreplay?
No.
No, I'm just asking.
What?
Do you give a foreplay or you guys go straight? Pam, 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 pam,
No,
pam.
just
That's why you
I'm
prefer.
too old for play, man. Hey.
That's crazy.
Sensational.
How long shall it take for him to come?
Sharp.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
What?
Do you take 30 minutes?
On a bad day.
My God, this is a man.
He was waiting for a moment. If that thing didn't happen,
Yeah.
he knew everything was gonna go south.
This is a man right there.
Yeah, Papa, what did I?
Hi, how you doing?
Why? What fucking? This guy is creepy again. You are trying to solicit kiss out of the girl the other day, and God, now you're like, oh yeah, hey.
It is now he has.
Never emotional.
It is now he has classes.
We need
It's less intimidating.
we need a list of people to watch out for.
Hi, how you doing, beautiful girl? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Listen, I want to know, right? Which country do you think in Africa has the most attractive men? Tell me.
South Africa.
South Africa. Which country do you think in Africa has the most attractive men?
Mkaneni bafana, mkaneni.
Don't say Nigeria.
Mkaniseni bafana.
Don't say Nigeria. Don't say Nigeria. Don't say Nigeria.
Bafana. Nah, she can say it. I don't care. Doesn't matter anymore.
It's because I know it's a fucking lie if she says it, because these girls only know 2 countries
Actually.
in Africa.
Actually.
Besides South Africa, they know Nigeria and Zimbabwe, and they're not gonna mention Zimbabwe.
Kodwa mina ngisasho le ntombazana niyiganiseni. Ganisa le ntombazana qedile nje.
No bull.
Man,
Oh damn! I see South Africa.
why is South Africa?
Yithina. Yithina.
Nina my wave.
Yithina. Abona le nto yenu yokudana namakhanda ngama-powder. Ama-wave cap. Ama-pillowcase agcwele amafutha.
I would also say Namibia. 'Cause
Namibia?
Yeah, there's this gorgeous girl at our race. She is so gorgeous, so she makes me think there's potential there.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm talking about guys.
Yeah, so I'm thinking that if she looks like
Basically what you're saying ukuthi amadoda asenamiba afana namantombazana. Basically.
Oh, Namibia is so inclusive. So inclusive.
that, the guys also probably look like that.
No, that's wrong. South African
No.
girls are gorgeous, but the guys are nuts. Go.
Wena dodi ufuna sibe gorgeous.
Cela ungikhele egumbini nale outlet.
Ufuna ukukhelwa nomuntu ocaba ukuthi angikho gorgeous. Ungali umuntu
Swabile.
yo mfanami.
Straight up.
Fuqa ngenye inqindi ngeke ukhohlwe. Inximfu.
Gorgeous. I mean, look at him. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding, bro. My cameraman, shout out to you, bro. Hey, what's up? What are you doing? I'm good. What's your name?
Tando?
What do you think is the most attractive man in Africa? Which country?
Congo,
Wow. Why Congo?
because I'm married to one.
Damn, crazy. Shout out to DRC.
Iphinda ndathu.
Iphi indandatho vele?
Ntombazana.
Iphi ID? Fubuda ID mina.
Sikhona la.
Do you have any dirty confession that you want to make?
Any dirty confession?
Yes. Something that you do with your
I know
husband.
my ID.
Go wild.
Go wild. What's
Yes.
wild? What's the limit of wild?
There is no limits. If Game Breakers is a no limit channel, which one do you guys think you prefer? Intercourse or foreplay?
None of the above. You know, we believe in sex after marriage. So
Are you guys see? Are you guys?
Mganiseni.
Abantu bangalawo.
Nina.
Afanele athini ntwana yami.
Ayi whoa. You must earn your stay over here. Amkhulula. I'm playing. Uniform yakuphi? What's going on here? Is this a sports thing or school thing?
Guys,
So confused.
it's probably a sport.
I mean, are you guys virgin?
yeah, I'm a virgin. Virgins.
Ungambali yena. Sikhulumele wena.
Umnganakho. Kodwa mganiseni yena.
We're children of God.
Cap. Let's go.
It's not cap, guys. Honestly, believe me.
I believe you.
Sohlangana emhlangeni.
I believe you. No, I believe her. Stop talking shit. I believe her.
Okay, yeah.
Look at her.
Uzwele ke ntombazana.
She cannot be
She
wrong.
comment. Any comment yakho ngifuna ibhale it's me.
She cannot be wrong. Look at her.
Yes, because women are known to be the most honest.
No, look at her. Look at the status of her.
Status iphi?
Look at her.
Cha uthi kuba abantu bayagula bezobhala isiphokweni.
No, she's a virgin. Fuck you.
You don't believe me, but I am a virgin.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care. Jerry.
The wildest thing we've done.
Yes.
What we keep doing.
Yes. You know, I want some games. You know.
Right?
Yeah.
There's a lot though.
Yeah. Just one or two.
Does it have to be sexual? Does it have to be like prim and proper?
Anything.
You really mean sex?
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Sex in the elevator.
How long is that elevator taking?
Wakwabani sibongo. Into engifuna ukuyazi.
No, how long is that elevator taking?
Yingakho abantu bahlangabezwa ingozi emaliftini bathi lift ayisebenzi.
Two lift. Ama-lift ashayisene.
Out of order. You dumb motherfucker, there's one lift in a shaft.
So ama-lift ashayisene. They went like this.
Iphumile. Gift bathi inqabuka intambi ku-top floor yavela asisaqazeka phansi pa
Ngoba busy. Sexy the elevator.
Sexy elevator.
Sexy the elevator.
Kusekusemovini la.
Whoa! What time was it?
It was anytime.
Anytime elevator?
What kind of life?
That's
After
crazy.
clubbing.
Crazy. Were you guys married already?
No.
That
we're
was
still
the
dating.
dating
We're still-
type of shit.
yeah.
Why did you marry him?
Because he's a freak. He's just like me.
Sensational.
Abantu bashadela ukuthi abafreak.
Think you have a high IQ? Huh?
Yeah.
Joining us to play Ebony?
I told
Use
you
your
that, let's
mind.
play Ebony.
That was so close to winning. Let's try again. Come on.
What are the white
Not
supremacies?
that. Try to pull the other one. Are you sure you...
Hi, how are you doing? What's your name? My name is Benjamin.
Fucking rude. Just by the way, that was fucking rude. But yeah.
Right? I have a proper question for you. I want to know, right?
What is that over on your head? I think that's a more. What is that? What is it? Where did you kill it? It's not her hair.
But it's too red. That's the thing.
Fuck it being too red. This shit is on her eyebrows.
Hey, bukunjani isigqoko Nkosi yami?
Isigqoko lezi. It looks like.
But it looks good though.
Well, it looks like a dad crossing the road, whatever it is.
What do girls prefer? Intercourse or foreplay?
I think both.
Both.
Yeah.
So there is none of one which is more enjoyable for you.
I'd say foreplay.
Foreplay.
Yeah, because it's fun.
Damn, that crazy. What the best for?
It's fun.
I wonder how much prostitutes charge you for foreplay only. If they do offer that. It's just something I just thought of now.
Play you ever had in your life?
You want deeds, like
I
details.
really. What's your name?
Azani.
Azani, I want to know something, right? The boys want to know.
Okay.
What do girls prefer between foreplay and intercourse?
I can't answer your question.
What do you mean?
I can't
Just say
answer.
it. The first or the second?
I can't answer your question.
First or second?
She said she can't
I
answer.
think first.
First.
No.
Qeda wavuma. Ubusanqabilani?
Give me some games. I want to be, you know. Are you shy?
That's confidential information.
All right. I want you to tell me which country in Africa do you think has the most attractive men?
For me,
Yes.
Angola.
Angola?
Yeah.
Is your boyfriend from Angola?
X.
Damn. Which country do you think has the most attractive men? In Africa?
Wasn't it the DRC? I don't know.
Congo! Why Angola?
Because he's from there.
What happened?
Like, I also think like it's a beautiful country and stuff. Yeah.
Have you been there?
Nah. Planning to.
For how long have you guys been together?
2 months.
Why have you guys broken up?
We've had like some issues. There were too much for me to deal with.
Idliso leli. Ayikho into nje. Ujoyina nomuntu 2 months nihlukane. They are the most nice, attractive. Ufuna ukuya for a holiday. Idliso lento. Ubizwa ile nto ayifakile. Iyakubiza. Ngeke ubuye futhi.
So I just had to like.
Hi, what's your name, guys? What's your name? What's your name?
Amanda.
How you doing, Amanda?
I'm good, thank you.
Hi, Amanda and your friend. I would out like I should span.
Ubani? Le idakiwe le.
I should span.
Bizo sitshela ngekhongo akwazi ukuzethula.
Bizu sisi.
I want to know something, right? Which country in Africa do you think has the most attractive men?
What's your number?
I want to know, right? Which
Zulu, Zulu.
Unkosikazi.
Entombini.
Unkosikazi. Awe.
Yazi intombi khulu isiZulu Nkosi yami. Yazi ngiyasizwa. Sile mkokotlela. Kuthi ngale. Yee.
Na umphatha amafits la.
Isizulu sakhe.
country in Africa do you
No. Uyekele liphara.
in Africa do you think has the most attractive men? I want to know, right? Which country in Africa do you think has the most attractive men? Yes, physically, according to your standards.
We haven't even been around, so how will we know?
You guys have social medias. DRC.
I'll do like things, but then I also have to consider my partner's feelings. Yeah. So I don't just do everything and anything.
Give us a 360.
Oh, what?
A turnaround.
No.
This guy can't shake the creep off of him. Yes,
It's there.
It's
just
there. Umuntu onje usumuntu ohamba naye
can't help it.
Awahambi naye
Like he
ebantwini.
can't help himself.
Can't help himself. Like yes, there's not like yini gawe. Ngempela yini. Yes.
Like find a different way to say it, maybe.
Yo.
Like
usemthinda nezandla.
isandla nje umuntu onjena kusami.
No, we want to appreciate this beautiful creature. Just do it.
No.
Turn around. Why DRC? Why DRC?
I know why.
Do you have a DRC? Do you have a Congolese friend? Why did you say DRC? Are you good? So where are you going now?
We're going home.
No. Okay. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm gonna just be here and find out about.
What the fuck? What is this conversation turned into? She went from smiles to what the fuck?
Are you good?
Yeah.
So where are you going now?
We're going home.
Where am I going now? What kind of information are you trying to get out of her?
No. Okay. Have a wonderful weekend. I'm gonna just be here and find out about the preference. Have a lovely one, yo.
It's the outfit for me.
Oh, you wanna rate it?
No, it's the outfit for me. The outfit is 10 out of 10, man.
You got it?
Have a great.
Have a nice one.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Hey, what's up?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm alright. What's your name?
I'm speaking to Tato.
I'm Benjamin. Tato was my first crush in South Africa. No, I'm kidding. So, Tato, I want to know, right?
Okay.
Which country in Africa has the most attractive men?
Ghana, actually.
Hey, why Ghana?
Because
Have you dated the Ghanaian?
No, and I want to
You
so
want
bad.
to? I have a Ghanaian, bro. Jesse M. Derrick and Magnificent. I've got something for you right here. I want you guys to face my camera, right? I want you guys to face my camera and tell me which country in Africa you think has the most attractive men. Starting with you.
Not South Africa.
Not
That's he has the disease of food. Keep quiet.
I think they were asking. Let me just.
No, they said not South Africa.
Oh, they meant not South Africa.
Yeah, like they were saying like definitively.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Imagine yazizwa ngifuna ukuya kuphi ne, but
Oh, lama koi lawo. Okay.
but I'm trying to be a better person.
Africa.
exactly. If not South Africa, which country?
I don't know, just not South Africa.
Not South Africa.
No.
Well, tell me a country in Africa.
I don't know. I really don't.
That's the most ignorant statement I've ever heard.
Do you have social medias?
Especially if they haven't met me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which kind of men do you guys talk on social media?
I don't talk to men.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
Are you single?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah,
So why do you want to date Ghanaian?
I don't know. Like, their skin color is beautiful.
That's
They
crazy.
just look hot, man.
That's crazy. So you've never dated the Ghanaian in your life, but you just feel like those dudes are hot.
True.
That never.
Like there's an entire world behind all the stupid shit that you talk about.
Exactly. It's like impilience.
An honest day, like an honest
kakade
day's
balumeza
labor.
mena
Like
abantu bavale ikhalo zabo laphiyana ikhiwe Capitec
uzobuza
ubuza
ngokuchaza.
masimba nje.
Their skin color is beautiful.
That's
They
crazy.
just look hot, man.
That's crazy. So you've never dated the Ghanaian in your life, but you just feel like those dudes are hot.
True.
That's crazy. I want you to tell me a dirty confession. Something dirty that you've done in your life. With a guy, with your boyfriend, with a sneaky link or something. Something dirty. Like, this is a secret between you and me.
Noflathelwa inkinga zenu. Busy ngedidi la. Ayikho le ndaba yenu.
I didn't know.
Unflattered.
From DRC Congo, do you think that you find him attractive?
From where? From
DR Congo. Have you ever heard of Congo?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Congolese friend?
Yeah.
So quick.
So what do you think about Congo? What is, okay, wait, what is that? Oh, tell us the story.
It's just the inside thing.
Looks like you have a lot in your mind.
I have.
Damn, just share one or two.
This one is tough.
What do you think about Nigeria?
What the fuck is that creep?
What do you think about
Imagine his name 3 times, he appears.
Men in Congo.
Vumbuka. Yeah, keep it orange.
Vumbuko ikipe orange kasama move manage.
No, mama.
Who is coming blue?
What the fuck is this? Who's this guy? Like, who's what damn geese are they pose?
Like, who is this nigga? Like,
Nigeria?
No, I'm just giving you guys different nations. And all of us are from different nations. You get me? He's from DRC Congo. He's from.
Come here, stand here.
He's from Nigeria. So I wanted to.
That one is from Zimbabwe.
So I wanted to.
From Tanzania. So you guys
So
are
which nation you guys find?
Shit, you guys are crazy. Congo.
Congo attractive.
Okay, what about you?
No comment.
No comments. All right, so I want to give you guys a shout out to Instagram.
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
You don't want to share?
Khona uyicabanga manje le nto na Dodi. Uyicabanga manje.
wait, man. Yazi abantu ohlangane nabo. Sizoqala le video.
Uzoyibuza manje le handle.
Uzobuza lo manje. Lo Dodi. Umosha la. Osisibethu. Odade. Omzala sebadlulile. Into engcole yona umntaka baba.
Yena majele nagcobe ekhanda.
Instagram.
No.
Since you're in a very complicated thing, it's all right. What about you? Social?
I'm good, thank
You good?
you. I'm
Have a nice weekend, ladies.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Have any sexual intercourse in the car, in my mom's car,
Your mom's car.
Yeah.
Where was she?
at home.
Damn, and you were driving.
Yeah.
Damn. Was it your boyfriend or a sneaky link?
Someone.
That nigga better not have been the one at the bottom.
Ngoba.
That nigga had his ass cheeks out on her mom's car.
Oh, ubangela uthi laba sitho
Yeah,
nokumtsintsila
like,
kwenze
in
njani.
her mom's car, that nigga had his ass cheeks out.
Ayi kodwa nezenza imanga. Bese basenikhahlela la nisitshela ngama children's rights.
My nigga.
So you cheated on your boyfriend at that
I
time?
didn't have one.
Oh, you were just having fun. Damn, that crazy. Are you single right now?
Why would you insinuate
Why?
that?
Okay, I'm gonna set you up on a date with my Ghanaian friend. Are you fine with that?
Okay.
Do you have an IG? I wanna give you a shout out.
Yeah, Big Chloe. Big_Chloe.za.
To all the Ghanaian, if you wanna move in South Africa, just make sure to follow this girl.
Hayibo. No umuntu. Uphethe ukhiye webona or the if you wanna move. What's going on here?
Ngakutshela ukuthi I told you during Trump's presidential what's this run. I told you ukuthi we must close these borders, Nazi. When you were like, no, Africans, we are all
No,
one.
I'm not talking about ukuxosha abantu nani. Mina ngibuza ukuthi
No, angithi sibaxoxe sivala amabhoda in case unama-funny idea njengale bar.
wena ubiza abangani bakho if wena come here.
Ubiza iimpitshi zakho.
Ubisana ngevisa nge-anti-score wena mfana.
Uzobona amajita agqwa amadurek.
Cause shit will happen. Right? Have a nice weekend, okay? Alright, cool.
Bro, I was trying to tell this girl that I'm a Ghanaian, bro.
You crazy, bro. How would I listen to you? I was busy.
Bro, you should have
Okay, let's do. Hey, how you doing?
Good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Sando,
Tando, I want to know, right? In Africa, which country do you think has the most attractive men?
Ghana.
Ghana. Why Ghana, girl?
I don't know, they're just cute.
Do you have a Ghanaian friend?
No.
Hayi Ghana ningahlala ninjalo. Bathi insizwa zi-cute. Hayi ningahlala kunje. Hayi ayixabene madoda. Hayi kulungile.
Have you ever had a Ghanaian boyfriend?
No.
How did you end up choosing Ghana?
I don't know. I saw
You want
on
to tell
my-
me that you're just coming from heaven?
on social media.
Oh, you stalk Ghanaians on social media?
No.
Woo, she's a stalker, guys. Hey, what's your name?
Lenny,
How you doing, Lenny?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm alright. Damn, look at you. Look at that black skin color. Give us a 360. Turn around. I wish.
Hey man, abantu abantu abanama YouTube channel baba pervert because abangeke mhlezi ndifuna i360 angeke. Hayi ngeke.
I could hold you, but my hand is busy. Anyways, I have a simple question, right? Where's the camera? Let them see how beautiful you look. I want you to tell me in Africa.
A human being is extraordinary, a perfect machine
Mana.
that can achieve it all, conquering seas and sky. But a South African, now we are.
Which country do you think has the most attractive men?
I don't know.
What do you?
I need to date me a queen, a dark-skinned queen, like this.
The blacker she is, the better she is.
Yeah.
I mean you don't know. I want to know something else. Are you single? Complicated.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to make a dirty confession.
Like what?
Anything dirty that you've been doing with your boyfriend, with your
I don't have.
any guy.
I'm literally approved.
Really? Okay. Let's not talk about sex. Kissing.
No, nothing.
Nothing.
I'm approved.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay, I want you to drop your info.
Tando Matai.
To all the Ghanaian, I want you guys to come here and try to find the us because she's so in.
Lenjiphisana ngamavisa.
Asimqoshe.
Lenjiphisana ngamavisa.
Like I was against ukuqosha abantu.
Wena mfana, usebenza Home Affairs? Usebenza Home
Yeah,
Affairs?
asimqoshe. I was against ukuqosha abantu.
You can't.
I'm all for closing borders and not letting anyone out, but for yena.
Before sifika lapho. Wena mfana, umema abantu ngama Instagram handle. What fucking type of visa is this?
Makahambe.
In love with you guys.
Because there's a lot of attractive men in Africa.
In Africa. But which one is the most attractive according to your standards? According to what you want in a man?
I think South Africa.
South Africa. What is it that you want in a man?
Yo, that's
I'm talking about the physical appearance.
tall, dark, handsome.
Damn, I'm cut off, bro. I'm short. That's crazy.
But everyone is tall compared to me.
Compared
I'm
to
a very
you.
short person.
Yeah, I see that. Anyways, that's cool. I want you to tell me something else. What do you think girls prefer? Intercourse or foreplay?
It has to be foreplay.
Foreplay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no, I understand. It has to be foreplay at first, and then end up with the intercourse. But which one do you enjoy the most?
I guess recording first.
Yeah, we are.
Because in the prop.
Look at the camera.
No ways.
Okay, look at me when you answer. Okay, tell me.
Foreplay.
Foreplay, that's the best. How long is it supposed to take before going for intercourse?
Nah, I don't know.
You don't know. I want you to make a dirty confession.
I don't have one.
I was born with a dick.
Are you single?
Yes, I am.
For how long have you been single?
It's about 5 months now.
So how have you been surviving so far?
I've been good.
How were you living before breaking up? I want you to make a dirty confession. I want some games, you know. I want to know what that guy was doing, you know. I want you to tell me something crazy that you guys did. So you want to tell me that you guys were just normal?
My mom might see this, and yeah.
How old is your mom?
What?
In her
What? He didn't just buzayo.
Dala ngithi asivula amabhoda. So avule yena. Aphume.
Umthumi singwakali. Bakabuya sesigile.
Ngimthuma icrocodile. Makabe uyilanda.
Ophosa le camera yakhe guys. Eyilanda.
her 50s.
Yeah, she won't watch you.
She does. She does.
She does?
She does.
Okay, tell me here.
I suck a dick. Oh my God, she sucked the dick.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Oh my God, she sucked the dick.
You are crazy. For real? Shit. Bro, I'll tell you guys. Come here. Give me a hug. I think you're the craziest. What that girl told me is crazy.
What did she say?
She said that her boyfriend let her eat his bro. That's
Whoa, that's not that. Listen.
Nah, when
That's
I'm
not the
APs, I'm APs.
Shut up.
Activist.
That's not the one I expected.
Triple A.
That's not the one I was expecting.
Bafana babaye. Fane yo papa tiso nami nyokhonza kwashembe nomiziyoni. Ngisho ngena basimba la. Hey, izwe libonile Nkosi yami. Azisidinga umsebenzi eSouth Africa yonke like province the province isuse 1000
This girl has been through enough.
Sifake iphandla sonke.
This girl has been through
Ubonile
enough.
lapha nje. Ubonile.
What did they make her do? Jesus Christ. Like the level of comfortability you have to have.
Like, my guy, not anyone can get it out of me.
What masculine position can you be in to do something?
That's my thing, right? Because I'm good when it comes to those things.
So this guy is actually trying to tell us that he gets by himself.
Nah, you don't
That's
get
what
my
you're saying.
point.
You find that dirty, right?
Too dirty, man. I can't even
Quick,
imagine.
just a quick question. Do you eat, bro?
What?
You eat?
Mom warned me never to try that.
Why?
Otherwise, you will be a slave for a woman.
Why would you know, mom be talking about
Eating people out. Like, what the fuck is this?
Like, your mom is a freak, bro.
Your mom is a freak. Forever.
Why?
So, no, she just told me that. She said, no, never you tried, no matter what.
That's a lie, man.
We do welcome Mr. Department.
And somebody was asking me yesterday on my channel, like, where's Mr. Ease? Where are you?
Bro, I have a question. What's up? What do you think girls prefer? Foreplay or intercourse?
Told you.
No, just tell me, bro. I want to know.
This guy is doing flashback.
I'm a good gamer. I start with the
Whatever this boy's gonna tell you, I taught him.
What do you guys think? I want you to tell me.
Yeah.
What do girls prefer?
Yeah.
Intercourse or foreplay?
Foreplay.
Damn. I want you to tell me, right? Between intercourse and foreplay, what do girls prefer?
I don't know.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Is it intercourse? As in like?
Intercourse, yes.
I won't know because I've never like.
Oh, you're virgin.
Yeah.
What about you?
In the same boat.
Yep, same boat. Smart girl, but not for long.
You're a fucking liar. All of you. You are liars. You are liars.
I'm joking.
These girls are like,
I'm not.
it's foreplay or intercourse? What you prefer? Both can be enjoyable.
Oh, shit. Do you know what she looks like?
Oba.
My crush. She kind of looks like Nomzamo.
Oh, okay.
She kind of look at her eyes.
Indoda ekrashayo.
No, but look at her eyes.
That's what
Dude, this girl looks like Nomzamo.
is more enjoyable.
Dude, this girl looks like Nomzamo, dude. You don't see it.
Can't relate, I'm not crash.
Dog, this girl looks like Nomzamo, but I swear to
Sizinsizwa
God.
thina siyayikhuluma into esihlozile nomuntu ezimvunayo zamlanda futhi.
Then fuck you.
Usacrasha.
Okay, let me say, speaking from what I've heard,
Yes.
foreplay is always more enjoyable because you stimulate the hand faster.
You get it? What's the best foreplay you've ever had?
Dude, she's like the lesbian Nomzamo.
Why do you think she's lesbian?
Oh, she's a tomboy. But she said girls, whatever, but
No, man.
she was gonna say we, but she said girls, and she said she didn't even say girls. She said han.
Yeah. Pasta.
Why are you laughing? We're having a conversation.
You, I don't have sex.
Don't disappoint me.
I don't do this thing.
What do you do?
I don't do this thing.
What do you do?
I just kiss my partner.
Really?
This is such an awkward question. This is a very awkward question. I should be asking you.
Why me? I'm the interviewer here.
Oh, okay.
So what do you want to ask me?
Is this for like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you want to ask me?
The same question you asked me.
What is it?
What type of foreplay you enjoy?
I will enjoy. Me?
Yeah.
What type of foreplay I will enjoy? No, I give foreplay.
Oh, you don't receive.
I don't receive foreplay. I give.
eCongo nenzani kanti imphizi iphakamisa amaflegi kanti niyahlola lapho impuma. You give foreplay. What the fuck does that mean? I give foreplay.
Maybe he gives head.
Kuthi inkomo. Ngakho namazinya brown.
Hi.
Yo, this is the creepiest thing, dog.
Like,
Hi.
zero shame. No, but look at the environment, bruh. Look at the environment. Zero shame. Zero shame. Like, this man is shameless. Like, he's shameless.
You doing? How you know? Relax. My name is Benjamin. What's your name? Ashley. I'm actually just Pasi, and I want to know, right? Which country do we think in Africa has the most attractive men?
I don't date men, so I wouldn't know.
You date women? Damn, that's crazy. Do you have a girlfriend right now?
No.
Are you single?
What's the opposite of that, you dumb fuck?
Yeah.
Single. I have another question. I want you to tell me, between foreplay and intercourse, which one do girls prefer?
Prayer.
Foreplay.
Prayer.
Prayer. This girl is wild, man.
What is wild about prayer?
Damn. Do you live around here? Where is that?
Why are we asking where she lives? Yeah, blend. Where's the conversation going? Where's this conversation going?
That's because this girl is wild.
This girl is wild because she prays.
What the fuck? That's because this girl
He's
is
like,
wild.
where do you live? Like, hey, hey, so Ngubala.
This girl is wild, man.
What the fuck is wild about prayer?
Do you live around here? Where is that?
He said way back
At
there.
home. Where is it?
There.
There. You like playing?
This guy's a potential kidnapper. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. He's a potential kidnapper.
He's a kidnapper and a YouTuber.
Ubhizi la uyafranda. Yaqala ubona umuntu ofranda nge-YouTube. Awunabahloli.
Right?
Playing what?
Games? No? You like being serious? Let's be serious. Tomorrow is Sunday. Let's go to church. What's your name, friend?
Did he just pull her? Did you see that? He pulled her.
Nah, I don't think
Tomorrow is Sunday. Let's go to church.
I think they were already talking.
What's your name, friend?
It's Palesa.
Palesa.
Oh, you're touching the bums. It's even worse.
I mean, it's just as awkward. He's holding the lower back. I don't think it's.
He's a sick fuck. That's what he is.
Oh yeah.
I want to know, Palesa,
Sure,
right? No, it's not me. It's boys want to know, right? What do girls prefer? Foreplay or intercourse?
These questions.
What?
I don't know.
No, tell me.
I don't know.
How don't you know? What do you prefer? Foreplay or intercourse?
Yeah.
Well, okay, when I look at you, I feel like it's gonna be foreplay,
Okay, then we'll go with foreplay.
right?
Okay.
Na umuntu ubhulela ucansi. Ngicela nimbambeni inkunzi lo.
Damn, that's crazy. What the best foreplay you've ever had?
Yeah, my brother, these questions.
How's the thing going?
The interview is actually going slowly well. Just a
Slowly
matter of time.
but
You know,
surely.
that's been a long time.
Slowly
I'm
but
asking
creeping.
questions.
Yeah,
now.
slowly but surely. There's no slowly well. What the fuck is that?
I'm trying to correct you. Slowly
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Okay?
Hey, Simmers. Looking for some...
Anyway, that was that. What was this video?
It was an abortion, but an entertaining one.
Kulaba baphendule kahle ngathi ngingaganiswa.
Yeah, it was street profession. Street profession.
Ngathi ningaganga.
Street confession. Yeah, that was the end of the video, and yeah, we're done.
I need to finish shayele. Akhumbula ephepheni kade bakhipha ithombe zama suspects, like the sketch black and white.
Yeah.
Sting ubusoba they are out here, and we need to make that happen.
Now we will.
We need to make that happen.
So yeah, like, subscribe, and
suggest
a video for us.
We can react to, and hey, yeah.
Thank you.